again. Yeah, I think so. Hit! If you stay there, we won't keep killing you. Somebody curved the BB. We got
I have a story for you. I did that. Is that the ICS?
ICS Sig 552.
Guys, I have two more.
Yeah,
I did
cool.
Oh god. I did this little run around with the goddamn MP5. Like, we were just doing circles in the room and then we finally got him back.
You should have had a GoPro.
I didn't get the guy.
Somebody's curving BBs again. Hit! Where did he shoot me from?
Just walk out.
What was that? Oh, somebody shot the light. Tell the rep. Rep! Rep! Glass. Rep!
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 Rep! I'll go get this done.
Watch out for that glass. There's no blue fag on that one. Just flip this up. This is blue. That's blue.
Yeah.
Got him. One down. Go ahead, go ahead. Moving up. Coming through, coming through. Coming through, coming through. Moving through, coming through.
Watch me on this side. Watch my right. Watch my right. I got these guys pinned here.
Alright, got you. I see somebody. I see somebody's head. Hit! Hit!
No, where was he? Where was he?
I don't know. Ah! 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 Who the hell's shooting me?
I think it's friendly fire, bro.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That guy out of that. You gotta get that guy in the hallway.
There's a guy in the hallway. There's a guy in the hallway.
That way.
Got him.
Got him?
Yeah, got one. There's one straight ahead.
Good job, nice.
There's one in the hay bales. There's one in the hay bales.
Okay. Nice. Watch the corner, watch the corner.
We're moving up. We're moving up. What was that? Frag out! Frag out! Frag out! You're dead! Thanks, man. Ah, hit, hit, hit! That's too close. Fucking rifle. Ah. Dead! Foul language. Dead! That's five. Let's go. Let's go. Is that camo or insurgent? Camo? Or is he an insurgent?
I have no idea.
Shoot him.
Better wait till they come.
You're hit, you're hit, you're hit! Ah! Reloading! Watch the hallway. Coming down, coming down. Reloading, cover me, cover me. I'm out of ammo, I'm out of ammo. I'm reloading. Watch, they might be coming right here. Watch this hallway. Watch out. Look inside the hut. Look inside the hut. I see a red light on the house. Coming down. I'm going across. I'm going across. Hey, we're kicking some ass. Good game. Good game, man.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Well, there's so much down
Whew.
Yeah, I heard that.
Lunchtime. We gotta go stand in line.
Somewhere I was. I got a headshot on.
Can we just go to Subway?
I don't feel like driving.
Somebody up there. I know I was shooting up there, but I can't see where the round is.
We could probably stay with us.
These sights are like hell.
What?
We could go to Subway and show them our camera and we might get a discount.
They're not gonna give us a
Mags out,
discount.
pistol mags out, please.
It's Subway.
Please keep your mask on until you get past